So it's morning time in Alvor. Haven't been for 6 years, and there's also things changed in the harbour today. For instance, this, the fishermen's working area. Last time I was here, it was just like a wooden shack. It's now all glass and different. It's got tables. Let's go and take a look inside. Lovely view out to the harbour. We have a picture of the old fisherman, and then we have some kind of display telling us. Shame it's not in English, else I'd read it out for you. A Portobello up there, a Navigador restaurant, of course the lifeboat station. Let's go take a walk up the harbour. Some boats going out there, morning visits. Alvor sailing. Statue of, I would have known what this was a long time ago. I think it's seen better days. If you're in Alvor and you want to book any kind of boat trip, there's half a dozen places here you can go to. Dolphin tours, caves, water taxi over to Lagos if you want to go that way.
1,150 euros.
More boat trips.
No, in the month.
We're going to go shark fishing, jigging. I'm here in September now. Morning. Here's the lady we booked with. Good morning. Got the bell in the background. Church bell chiming. Must be 10 o'clock, possibly. Might be time for a coffee soon. Harbour's pretty quiet this morning. Okay, going on to the main part of the harbour now, where you can get yourself a coffee, toast, salads, pastas. I will be needing to get myself a coffee after I've done this walk and shown you all around Alvor. Lovely place to sit in the sun, this. What have we got here? The Yacht Club at Alvor. Cocktails, if you like a cocktail, good place to go. What have we got coming up here? Cafe Maria, restaurant and bar. There's a catamaran over there. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning and it's probably about 27 now. Hopefully these bars will be open by the time I finish this walk. I'm going to need a coffee, as I said. If you've not come across my channel before, I am Mr. Judd Slat. I do lots of videos like these, walking around. And check out the channel. And while you're checking out the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, leave a comment if you've been to Alvor and you love the place. Got coming up here is Restaurant Restingeria. Lots of boats. Some really nice ones in the middle there. show you the price board here at Restingeria. Did my best to read out some of the prices for you. Oh, there's no prices. They do soups, seafood, meat, kids menu, vegetarian, specialties, salads, fish. Of course, it's a fishing town, so there'll be lots of fish being sold. Okay, it's the main town square. There are markets on during the week. I don't know quite what day. If you pop onto the Alvor Facebook pages, of which there's a couple, they'll be able to tell you what markets are on and when. Old boat lift over there. And this is the middle of the square. Just do a pan round for you. Hopefully don't get dazzled by the sun. People taking it easy. There's a restaurant on the hill up there, the Casa do Rio. Well, it's got some nice views in the evening time and the sun setting. I'm going to take a walk over this way, go up to the boat lift over there, get some views of the harbour. As I said, if you're new to the channel, I am Mr. Judd Slack. I do a lot of walking videos. I've been Mexico, Cape Verde, Dominican Republic, Portugal. I've been coming here since 2008. Looks like the boat repair yard, Alvor Kite Centre. I enjoy walking round. I think sometimes you come on a holiday, you just end up sitting in the same bars and restaurants and just drinking and eating. It's nice to get out for a walk. You can see it's a little bit cloudy today, which is nice. It was like this yesterday in the morning. It was lovely and cool. It's all the fisherman's gear. Trouble is, there's a lot of flies keep landing on me. Now there's a boardwalk. If you come through here, you might have seen the distance. Take a boardwalk all the way up to the beach. We'll take a walk out to here. Flies landing on me. Lobster baskets, are they? Prawns, etc. Maybe. I'm not a fisherman, so I couldn't tell you for definite. All the fishing boats though. Fishing nets. Nice looking Tempest speedboat. This big bugger here, Lucky Sea. There's a boat lift. I'm going to watch the edge and I'll show you down. There's all boats parked up. Some nice rock area if you want to maybe catch crabs. Oh no, sorry, that didn't sound quite right, did it? If you want to find crabs, not catch them. All the gulls by the water this morning looking for the fish. You can see in the background there's the boardwalk. People jogging, people going for a morning stroll. Not for the faint-hearted, that walk. I can tell you it's at least 20 minutes to get from Alvor down to the beach area. Maybe a nice evening walk. See any fishes in the water? No fishes in the water. Okay, let's just stop here for a second. Just admire the beauty that is Alvor. Mountain range in the background. I'm going to be heading onto the boardwalk shortly for an updated boardwalk, which I did probably about 8-10 years ago. So if you search the channel, you'll find that. And as I said, while searching the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. It does help the channel to grow. Like the video and leave a comment. It just helps with YouTube's algorithm to get the video recommended. But that's it. Alvor Harbour, down to the boat lift. And I'm going to go because I'm getting bombarded by flies here. See you in the next video. But I'm now sat drinking a rather lovely cup of coffee down by the harbour, thinking about maybe getting that train that runs from here. Oh, let's see where the train goes then. hop off here if you want to go to the beach. That's good. Solar panels. Good morning. That South Beach does look nice. Make room for people who are getting in. They're picking up people. So these must be regulars maybe. Just going to pause the video for a second so we start off again. And we're off again. So where we're going to now. Supposed to be big vents nowadays somewhere. Must have missed big vents somewhere back there. I found the bowling place. am now. I think with the backside now of Alvor. I think we've got an idea of where I am. Or maybe not. Oh yeah. We're coming past the Alvor Ferries. That's my hotel. Hey Baba, I can see you. Hospital. I'm not going into the Alvor Harbour. Go on, you can make it up the hill. This is the Alvor Harbour. We're going to stop for a minute and pick up and drop off. Yep, so pick up and drop off at the Alvor Harbour. Shame it doesn't come round our Alvor Ferries. Big sports centre here. I think this train's more for locals than for tourists like me, but it's quite an impressive place at Alvor Harbour. 4-star.
Es sind auch nur 2-3 Leute aus.
Wir waren im Pestana Beach.
Vom Strand weg,
Okay, we're back off again now. And where we go to next then? All will be revealed. Down to Alvor now. Very bumpy. Oh, very bumpy. You are of course watching the Mr. John Slack channel. Thank you for watching this video. I do walking tours around places where I go on holiday. I know I'm cheating because I'm on a train this time instead of walking. If you're new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment on the video if you rode this train before. If you've been to Alvor before and you love it, leave me a comment. Here we go. Alvor Town Centre, lower end. Run by Darba Restaurant. Michael's Bar, interesting. Michael retired last year, it's now run by another chap. No karaoke in the evening anymore. Got a pizzeria, rent a car. Pharmacy, it's 27 degrees at the moment. Coming into the bottom end of Alvor now. And we're going, where are we going to go to now? We're going to go up the hill here. Hello everybody, taxi rank, Central Cafe at Chinese up there is absolutely fantastic, by the way. If you're visiting here, do try the Chinese out. We've got a multi-bank over there, another ATM, lots of shops. Black stove up there, O'Grady's, Chow Baby Pizza. Lots of shops. Oh, another chip, another cash point. Seems to be lots of those now. There only used to be a few in Alvor years back. Seems to be in every corner now. Up into the main market square now. Nice little place for a drink. Main walk there down to the strip. Hola, bon dia. Hola. Down the Cloudy Way. Doing about the cash points everywhere. Proper tour in the back streets here now. A little pub there. Oh, this is a very tight turn. Wow, how close did he come down there? Cafe. Now this might be one of those streets I've never seen on Alvor when I've done my walking tours before. Villa Ella restaurant. Bon dia. This train has very good brakes. Where we're coming down to now? Oh, the Sunset Bar. He's going to swing around this corner. Or is he going to go straight over? Nope, he's going to swing around this corner. You wouldn't think there was room in some of these streets, they're that narrow. There's the Sunset Bar. Nice view of the harbour. This is a very steep hill. This train's having no problems getting up it whatsoever. Definitely on a street I've never seen. Oh, there's Atascado and Pull the Bar. Oh, that looks nice in there. That looks really pretty. Might pop out there for a drink later, you never know. Where we're going now. Another tight turn. Okay, coming back now. I think I've done a walking tour without doing any walking this time round. At the Blackstone Lounge Bar. Phoenix. Very nice place. From all accounts I've read on Facebook. Oh, we come round with a circle, there's the taxi rank. Alvor Hotel. Coming down, this is the back of that Chinese restaurant I just mentioned earlier. It's absolutely exceptional quality and the food is gorgeous. That used to be a donut shop here and a cake shop, it's now just a coffee shop. Taxis, reasonably priced, take you anywhere you want to go. Back into the main town square again. Pharmacy, if you need a pharmacy. We've got the Alpendre restaurant. That's the children's school there on the right hand side. Shops selling all the things that you need. At the Quainer's bar. I think someone was asking about that, they said it wasn't open. Back at Alvor. More shops selling beach stuff. Napoli. And if you need any shopping, that's a bit loud. Need any shopping, there's a big supermarket here, the Intermarché. Across the road there you got the Kashmir Curry House. And the venue, coming down now past the place that sells cakes and pastries and coffee. Another cash point. Shop selling all the gear. Okay, down at the Dunas complex now. Place you need to visit. Got a lovely pool, €15 each a day. You get a sun lounge and a mattress, and of course the famous chill out bar. Dunas is all private rented. You can't get a package tour there anymore. Now owned by Alvor, the Dunas. Heading back the way we came, I think the tour may soon be over. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, I'm Mr. Judd Slap, please do hit that subscribe button, helps the channel to grow. We've got lots of videos on the channel, Mexico, Cape Verde, Dominican Republic, Portugal. Check out all the other videos, might find something of interest for you. Looks like we're now heading back to the harbour. Quite an enjoyable train ride. camper van, you can always come and park here. There's no hookups, no water, no electric, etc. But walk up to the beach there from the harbour, heading back. Time to go down to the beach for a walk. You can find the video on the channel, or I might put a link to it in the description box below. You've been watching a Mr. Judd Slack production. Hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed this train ride, it's been quite nice. Very bumpy though. I might need another coffee before I go for a walk. Finally, back at the train stop. The train stop? Yes, the train stop. I was going to say train station, but it's not so much a station, more of a stop. In we come. There we go. Okay, again, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.